Okay, it's time for an inside tour of the cottage. First, there's Jim working on the roof. The outside's really coming along. There's my staining job on the railing. Still in the midst of doing the actual porch. There's my staining stuff. Let's go inside. Okay, the basement still needs a little work. But going up the stairs, here's the living room with the cathedral ceiling and all the windows in finally with the sliding door. And a beautiful view outside the doors. Okay, onwards. Master bedroom, complete with dog blanket on the bed. Notice the lovely use of air mattress boxes as a night table. Oh, and here's our kitchen counter. And over here we have the dining room. Refrigerator in the corner. Again, beautiful view outside. Just had our morning coffee. Over here, this will eventually become a hallway into the bathroom. And here is going to be the kitchen. Right now, it's storing all of our water. And here's the sunroom, otherwise known as the workroom. Steel panels for the roof against the wall. Against that wall will be the fireplace. A nice door to the outside here, with a small stoop going out to the parking lot. And this way, the sliding doors out to the deck. And this is probably where we'll spend most of our time. Right now we have roof panels on there straightening out in the sun. Here's my kitchen. I'm just about to start some dishes. I love the hanging pot rack. And one last view of the house from the front. There she is. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little bird's eye view.